Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited to show you how you can actually withdraw your TransferWise money, which is now Wise, using USDT on Binance. So I'm going to be walking you through the entire process of how you can actually convert your TransferWise money to USDT and withdraw it in your local currency. So I'm going to be demonstrating exactly how you can do it. So ensure to watch this video from beginning to the end. TransferWise to get it with USDT. So we need two major accounts, which is TransferWise, which is wise.com, and Binance. So you have to ensure you get account verified on these two platforms. So if you haven't get your account verified on this platform, I'm going to drop a link inside the description, so ensure to use this link to register on these two platforms. So I've actually received $167.97 on my TransferWise account, so I'll be changing it using USDT because I'm going to be changing it at the black market rate. So for we to do that, we have to locate trade. So on the trade we have P2P, so you have to click on P2P trade. So this page is loading, so we have to select the currency we actually want. So we are interested in USDT. As you can see, it has already showed that this is USDT. So over here we have to select the currency we want, which is US dollar. So this is US dollar. Then we also filter the payment option to only Wise. So you have to search for Wise. So we are only filtering the payment method to people that actually want to receive the payment through Wise, so to buy the USDT. So we are going to click on Wise, and it's trying to find some of the seller that want to sell their USDT for Wise money. So we are going to locate some of them. So let's try to find most of them. So as you can see, there are lots of criteria you have to look out when we are trying to trade. This particular person is verified, they are verified member, and they have a lot of order in completion. So most especially this one have 6,345 orders that have completed, and they have 100% completion rate. So we actually want to trade with this kind of person because we want to trade and get our money quicker. So we have to locate one of them. So I think we should just go for the one that have 100% completion rate. So let's go for this first one. So what is the minimum? Okay, but they have issue. So the minimum limit you can buy from them is $3. So we can't work with this particular seller. So let's look for another one that have, okay, as you can see, this particular person have the 100 limit. So we can actually trade because we have just $167 on our Wise account. So we can actually trade with this person, and let's click on buy USDT. So like, how much are we going to pay? So let's just go to TransferWise and copy the entire amount, which is 167. So let's copy and paste $167. So we are going to receive 164 after they have removed the commission. So let's click on buy USDT. So we have successfully placed the order, and they are going to match you up, and we should be able to send the money and get our USDT in big time. So right now, these are the information of the buyer. So I'm going to block this information now because it's very sensitive. So let me just copy this emails of the seller of USDT, then come to TransferWise, then send this money. So I'm going to click on send on TransferWise. So then we want to sell 167. So let's then click on this 160. We want to send 167. So let's just remove the sent over it, then continue. So we have to you have to paste the email we copy from the buyer of the seller. So then click on Wise. So this is the amount we want to sell. We want to send 167. So but let's confirm if the seller actually tell us to drop a note. Let's try to check. Obviously the seller doesn't tell us to drop any note, so you can just try to transfer the money quickly. So let's click on confirm and send. So we are going to enter the password. So let's just enter the password, then click on done. So normally Wise is going to send an OTP to the phone number register to be able to confirm if you are actually doing the transaction. So I'm going to enter the OTP sent to my phone number. I'll just receive it right now. So let's click on done, and the payment will be sent successfully. So right now, Wise is sending the payment to the seller. So actually, we have completed the transaction. So let me go back to Binance. Right now that we have sent the payment, so we have to notify the seller that we have actually sent the payment. Because if you don't do it, seller is not going to release the money. Release the USDT to our account. So we are going to click on transfer and notify the seller. And we are going to agree to the terms and conditions. Then click on confirm payment. So right now, our money has been paid, so waiting for the seller to actually release our USDT to be able to sell our USDT and withdraw it directly to our bank account. So right now, let me try to check if seller is still online to be able to see if the transaction is complete or not. So it's the status to be released, so we are waiting for the seller. So I'm going to pause this video, later continue it after the seller has actually release our money to our USDT balance. The seller is actually fast, so after some minutes, like the seller has actually released the money. So let me just refresh it to see that the seller has actually released the USDT to our balance to be able to trade and sell it right now. So it's loading. So let's just go to our balance, like all order. As you can see, this transaction is complete now. So the next thing we are going to do is to actually sell this USDT for a profit, and the total USDT we receive is $148. So let's just copy it for the purpose of selling. So for us to also sell this USDT to the currency we actually want, you can use P2P also. You click on P2P, then USDT. So but right now what we are going to use is no longer buy and sell. We are going to use Express, because Express allows us to sell it more quicker to the currency we actually want. So we are going to click off all these things, then agree the terms and conditions. So let me agree the terms and conditions, confirm. So I hope you find great value in this content I've tried to produce today. If you do, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, because this is what I do majorly, and also share this video to your loved one that you know that they are going to be much interested in this kind of video. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.